Hi, welcome to Smart Canteen. This is the demonstration for our system. So the customer enters and is recognized by the RFID reader. The customer's card balance is displayed, which is $5. They can press 1 to top up or any other key to exit. So they exit and they can press 1 to order over here. So they press 1, they can order noodle or prata. So they order noodle whose price is $3, and since this is the first entry, they do not get any discount. So $3 deducted from the card gives gives $2, and they can come and collect their food later. First, they go to the GUI to reserve their seats. So the initial configuration of the table is, since all the seats are empty, it's all green. The customer requests for 3 seats, and seats 1, 2 and 3 in table 1 get reserved. Now they go to collect their food. Their food is ready and they collect the food from the shop, and then they proceed to occupy their seats at table 1. The moment any of the seats are occupied, the fan switches on. And we now come to the configuration in the GUI. If we refresh it, we get the new table configuration, which shows that the 3 seats that are reserved are now occupied. Now the next customer enters. Archana is welcomed by the LCD. Her card value is displayed, which is $2. So she presses, the display tells her that there's a low card value, and she exits from there. She exits again and then proceeds to queue at the shop. Then she comes to the user interface to book her seats. The intelligent seat reservation system gives her 3 seats in table 2, after which she proceeds to get her food. Right now she's at the food stall and she chooses her food and tells the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper enters the food price, $4. Since she doesn't have enough balance, she has to top up her card. So she enters a top up amount of $5. Her current balance is $7. Since this is her first entry, no discount, and her balance remaining is $3. So she gets her food and then she proceeds to occupy her seats at table 2. We get the new table configuration. We see that the seats reserved in table 2 are now all occupied. We wait for the next customer. Now the next customer enters and they want 3 seats to be booked, but as we see there are only 2 seats available in the interface. So when they try to book 3 seats, then they get a message from the system saying that seats are not available at the moment. Please wait.
Seats not available at the moment. Please wait.
So they have to wait and come back later when more seats are available. Now we wait for our next customer. Vani enters. She's welcomed by the system. Her card value is displayed, which is $6. She presses 1 to top up right there. And she enters the top up amount. So her current card balance is $11. Then she presses 1 to order her food. And she orders noodle. The price is $3, which is deducted. Since she gets no discount, her card balance should now be $8. She's told to come back after a minute, so she comes to the user interface to book her seats. Vani wants 2 seats, so she enters 2 seats, and the remaining 2 seats are now reserved for her. Now she goes to collect her food. Her food is ready, so she takes her food and collects it from the shop and comes to occupy her seats. Now the new table configuration should show that all seats are occupied, and this is the current configuration. Now We will remove everyone from table 2 first and tap out on exit. They have kept to the time limit. That means the next time they enter, they will get a discount. Now, as we are removing people from table 2, the table 2 clearing notification will come to the user interface.
And click OK when done.
So the cleaners are notified that table 2 becomes red, they need to clean it. So they clean it and they click OK, and the table 2 is set to clean again. Now we do the same for table 1. Table 1 users tap out on exit. The table 1 cleaning notification comes.
Click OK when done.
The cleaners clean table 1 and we get the new configuration where all the seats are empty. As soon as this happens, the fan switches off, which is our energy saving implementation. Now Vani enters again, and since Vani left in time the last time, she should get a discount. Her card value is $8. She presses 2 to exit and orders her food. She presses 1 for noodles. The noodle price is $3. Since she left early the last time, she gets the discount and her balance is now $7. Now she's told to proceed and book her seats. She books one seat for herself. Seat number 1 gets reserved. She collects her food from the canteen. She takes her food, occupies her seat again. As soon as she occupies her seat, the fan comes on. Once she's done, she leaves the table and taps out. Again, she has kept within the time limit, so she'll get a discount and the fan is off. And we get the new configuration of the tables, which is all green. Thank you.